In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to sign up for DIY credit repair, get your credit reports, and create dispute letters. Let's go. The first thing you want to do is fill out the form on the front page, then click Let's Go. Next, go ahead and fill out your full address, date of birth, and click Create Account. On the next page, we're going to click on Authorize and then sign the agreement. Next, we will sign up for Credit Streak and get our credit reports. Once you get your credit reports, it's now time to connect them to the DIY software and create your dispute letters. To connect your credit report, click on Personal Info, scroll to the bottom, and enter your credit streak details, save info, and refresh Credit Report Now. Once the credit report is connected, then you can start creating your dispute letters. Next, you will see all of the inquiries and negative items on your credit report that you can dispute. To dispute an item, simply click on it and pick a dispute reason. Once you finish picking the reasons, go ahead and click on Create Dispute Letters Now. The system will automatically create your letters for you, and on the next screen, you will be allowed to review and then print the letters. Once you print the letters, put them in an envelope, add postage, and go ahead and mail them out. Congratulations! You've now sent your first round of letters. Make sure to keep your Credit Streak account active. Come back in 30 days, refresh your credit report, and create the next round of disputes. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or need help, click on Contact Support in your account. Thank you so much, and make it a great day.